So we woke today to snow on the ground, and yeah, it started raining again. I mean, snowing again. Yeah, I need coffee. So yeah, you can see snow on the ground. It's very cold. Last night the aurora came out a little bit, so I did a little time lapse. A little bit of a clear sky for a while, so it was good. Myvatn lakes did not disappoint either. We have breakfast, and then we're gonna head south to continue the Icelandic trip journey. Yeah, so we're in the hike to Falls. The first waterfall there is Falls. We're going up. Yeah. Yeah, it is pretty steep. It's a real good exercise. Because it's steep. Oh yeah. Yeah, you guys walked around the volcano yesterday, so this is nothing for you.
Nothing.
Let's do it.
This was the preparation.
Yeah, let's go. This is gonna be beautiful in the top, so you'll see. Alright, so we are almost at Falls, and the view from here is actually spectacular. Wow, look at that. It is gorgeous. What a beautiful day too for this hike. I mean, so blessed. We've been having a lot of clouds and rain and snow, and today for the hike, perfect sunny day. Very windy, but sunny day, so we'll take it. Look at that, pretty. Woo. Margarita posa. Margarita vi Margarita. How do you girls like the waterfall?
Beautiful. Amazing.
Yeah, it was really pretty. But now we're gonna go eat some waffles and hot chocolate. So we are eating the Belgian waffles down here in Falls. Margarita, how is it? Which one did you get?
Sugar powder.
The powder sugar one. Juli got the chocolate. How's the chocolate?
It's delicious.
All right.
I love it.
And we got the bananas and chocolate one.
It's really good.
Oh my god. You gotta try it because it's really good if you come here. So now we're gonna go to Seydisfjordur, where we're gonna stay tonight. Alright, see you guys later. Okay, we just arrived to Seydisfjordur, and wait till you see the view. And this is the view from the cabin. It was raining and overcast when we got here. It's starting to clear up, so we got hopes that it will clear up, and then we'll go to town to see this little church that's got like a rainbow road leading to it. It's very nice.
Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still, 'cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah.
So we're leaving Seydisfjordur. We're gonna go to the south coast now. See you in Hoffen.
Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try.
We're gonna go check out how Vikings lived. This village was built for a movie, and now it's just left here for people to come and visit and see a representation of how Vikings used to live. This is the entrance to the Viking Village. Let's go into the yeah, it's like a Viking hall, a watchtower. They would keep lookout for the enemies.
But everyone says that it's obvious.